Dance and laugh, sing and play, jazz and tap and ballet. Come on, dancers, welcome in. Let's dance with Miss Kathryn. Dance with Miss Kathryn.
Hi, dancers. Welcome to Dance with Miss Kathryn. Today, I'm wearing my jazz shoes, and we're going to jazz dance together. Are you ready? Oh, I'm so excited that you're here. So today, we're going to be focusing on a really cool position that we use a lot in dance, and this position is called retiré. Can you say retiré? Retiré. Very good. Okay, so this is a position that we are trying to create a beautiful picture, and I have my ballet bar to help me make this picture. So in this picture, you may use also, by the way, a chair, a sturdy chair, or a table or a piece of furniture like a couch, the arm of a couch, to help you practice this move. So in this move, we stand up tall, puppet strings on for sure. Boop, there goes my puppet string up to the ceiling. And in this move, I'm going to practice bringing my foot all the way up to my knee so that my leg is like a table in front. Okay, so first, let's practice just bringing our leg up. Don't worry about your feet. I want to pretend that we're making a table and we have a nice glass of juice. All right, so let's bring our leg up, 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 and let's put our drink on it. If our knee is too low, whoosh, uh-oh, I spilled my drink. It slid right off. Wipe it up, wipe it up, wipe it up, wipe it up. Okay, let's try again. We're going to lift our knee up high and keep it. Let's check. Is it nice and flat? Let's put our drink on. We did it. It's straight like a table. Good job. So that's how high you want to lift your leg. Now for my foot, I want to work on my demi-point position. So I'm practicing putting on my high-heeled shoe. And then from here, I want to push my toes down so my shoe slips off my toes. If my toes are flexed, my shoe will get stuck. So toes pointing to the floor. Now I'm going to draw a picture all the way up. I could go here, but then that makes my table a little bit crooked. So let's go up higher. Oh, I feel the top of my knee. And let me check. Yes, my table is straight. There I am. There is retiré position. And then we're going to slide it back down, put our high heel shoe on, and then drop our heel. And we'll try the other side. So we'll come around, hand on this hip. So standing nice and tall, put on your high-heeled shoe so your heel pops, have your Barbie foot. And now we want to slip the shoe off our foot. So we're going to push our toes against the floor and our toes press down to the floor. Whoop, there goes the shoe. Now keep your toe touching your leg and draw an imaginary line with your big toe all the way up your leg. We could stop here, but let's see. Whoop, my drink would fall right off my table. So let's keep lifting the knee up by drawing a line with my big toe. Keep going, keep going, keep going until we feel our toe beside our knee. Let's check our table now. Oh, fantastic. That is a level table. And stand tall and really feel the energy in the front. Are your toes pointing to the wall? If they are, no problem. Just notice it and try to make them point down to the floor. Good, and then bring that foot back down to your high heel shoe and then feet flat. Good job. Let's try our retiré position again. All right, here we go, dancers. Demi-point, heel up, slip off your shoe. Toe draw a line right up to your knee. Standing tall, toes don't look forward, they look down. Taller, stronger, that's the right way. Slide your foot back down, touching your leg to your ankle. Shoe goes on and heel down. Turn the other way. Here we go on the second side, standing up tall, tall, tall. And pop up your heel, high-heeled shoe goes on. Press your toe down, shoe slips off to the ground. Draw a line with your big toe up to your knee. Standing tall in retiré. Retiré? Retiré. And standing tall, standing tall, now slide it back down, touch your ankle, shoe goes on, then heel to the ground. Well done on your retiré. Now, when we take retiré and we put a bunch together, we do a move called marching. So when we march like a regular person, often it's kind of low and it's loud and stompy. But when we do it like a dancer, it gets really high and quiet. So you can practice your retirés holding on to a countertop or holding on to a chair and checking your position to make sure that your big toes at the front of your knee, your toes are looking down and your table is level. And then if you feel good with that on either side, you can even practice doing it over and over again. All right, dancers, great dancing today. We'll see you next time on Dance with Miss Kathryn. Thank you for joining me. See you soon. Bye.
Did you love dancing with us? Then hit that subscribe button so you can dance along every week. And grown-ups, hit the description below for all the info about our classes. Bye-bye.
It's time to go, we're almost done. We learned to dance and had such fun. Come back soon, there's always room to dance with Miss Kathryn. Dance with Miss Kathryn.